Hunkydory has just released 4 new Papa Topper pads. Now, I'll show you all of them in different videos, but right now we're going to look at 2 of them. So this is it's a cat and dog's life, and we'll get in closer on it, and Fabulous Florals. Now, both of them are just absolutely full of foiled die cuts. In fact, there are 390 in each package. Wow. Very, very neat. Now, there are 15 sheets, and then you get 3 of each one, making a total of 45. Got all those numbers? 390, 15 sheets, 3 of each one to make 45. 390 is really the one you want to pay attention to. So let me show you. It's a cat and dog's life. Now, I've got all of them out here, and so let me just show you. They have gold foiling, and some have silver foiling also. And you can see that you're going to get some that are nested. In fact, this one has 3 layers, so you get a solid gold frame, as well as greetings and sentiments. So just really charming. Here is the next cute little kitty. I've got my paws crossed for you. Very cute. Birthday wishes. You're perfect. I'm sorry. Some borders will also go. And then also some are silver foiled. So you can see lots of greetings, lots of different elements to work with, and just really sweet. Here is some more and more. Just really charming. Now, we've given puppies fair time, and you can see same idea. Some of them are nested. In fact, 2 of them here with 2 or 3 frames around them, as well as greetings. And here we go. Cute little guys, just really, really sweet. And so you can see, okay. And again, there are 15 in each set. Okay, now this is the puppies, the kittens and the puppies. Now we're going to go into the Fabulous Florals, and I have those. Same idea. There are 15 that I'll show you. They have gold and they have silver. And like I said, the number you really want to remember is that 390 die cuts. And they are just beautiful. You can certainly put them on pattern papers. You can put them on solid, whatever you like. Just beautiful. Add some ribbon if you want to. Dazzles are always a good accent, as well as the metallic gold and silver papers too. And they just pop out so easily. And it's quite a treasure to have so many elements and to have them in different shapes also. So this might be the front of your card or on your page. These might be supporting ones, either to go on the inside or maybe to go to a second card. So you can do several cards out of every sheet or several pages out of every sheet. And again, you get 15 of each one. So this is just 2 of the collection. Fabulous Florals, and it's a cat and dog's life.